I know, this is the best game. The run in circles game.
Come on, Enzo, go back this way. Get him right, head him off at the pass there. Hey! Go get him. Hey, bring that ball here. Oh.
Maybe Jasper can coax Enzo in the water. A little deeper. Oh, go that way. Go over there. Enzo likes up close and personal games better than running, actually. Enzo likes to get beat up on, actually.
Yeah.
No, seriously, his favorite game is to get, like, chewed out by another dog.